After my solo exhibition in 2003, I was in search of a good subject which has immense impact and value for the society, on which I could focus and dedicate the rest of my art life. I was intrigued by Saint Kabir's thoughts since my childhood, as Kabir was a truthful and secular saint. This inspired me to do research on Kabir's literature. After studying for the next 2 years, I felt a strong urge to spread Kabir's messages, especially to young children, through my paintings. I visualized hundreds of my paintings with Kabir Vani hanging on the walls of the living rooms of homes and primary schools. I could see that children were taught Western literature in Indian schools, which was adding no moral values. My vision was to replace some unimpactful Western literature with Kabir's teachings through my paintings. My Kabir paintings were painted in such a way that they could grab eyeballs, create curiosity amongst the children to ask questions and become better humans after getting the answers. For the next 1 year, I painted Kabir's most valuable 19 verses on paper to amplify the valuable meanings of those verses by creating different forms and compositions which were a reflection of those verses, like गुअंधियारा जानिए रुकइए प्रकाश, मिटे अज्ञान तम ज्ञान से, गुरु नाम है तास. About the effect of speech, Kabir said, ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का पाकोय, औरन को शीतल करे, आप हूँ शीतल हो. During the process of these paintings, I was in a deep state of happiness which I wanted to share with the art world. Hence, I decided to hold a solo exhibition of Kabir's paintings along with my all other work in 2006. The art intellectuals of that time were present and amazed by my choice of unique and philosophical subject and the way I presented it. The common point of appreciation was my imagination to paint very difficult to understand abstract and philosophical verses through a visual medium. Sahitya Kala Parishad, New Delhi board members were so appreciative that they decided to fully sponsor all the exhibition expenses. This exhibition was inaugurated by then HRD Minister late Shri Arjun Singh. He was very happy to see Kabir paintings and was especially touched by the famous verses, साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुंब समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं साधु ना भूखा जाए. Because it took him back to his childhood age, I requested him to introduce these paintings at the elementary school level for small children so that children could learn good thoughts and habits through these verses. To describe satisfaction, Kabir said, गोधन गज धन बाज धन और रतन धन खान, जब आवे संतोष धन सब धन धूरी समान. Kabir was a Ram devotee and a secular person who attacked the superstitions of both Hindu and Muslim equally. For Muslim, he said, काकर पाथर जोड़ी के मस्जिद लई चनाय, ताचड़ी मुल्ला बांग दे, क्या बहिरा हुआ खुदा. And for Hindus he said, पाहन पूजे हरि मिले तो मैं पूजू पहाड़, ताते ते चाकी भली पीस खाए संसार. Saint Kabir inspired people for Ram devotion and said, कस्तूरी कुंडली बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माई, जैसे घटी घटी राम है दुनिया जानत नाय. For emphasizing the importance of time, Kabir said, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करे गो कब. Saint Kabir dedicated all his life to improve society by his 4,000 valuable verses. I also tried to contribute through my paintings to propel Kabir's vision to spread knowledge, peace and harmony in the society. Thank you.
कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही,